when Wheelie came racing up. Larry! Larry! I've just seen a flower pot monster! A flower pot monster? What does it look like? Well, like flower pots that move. Larry thought this was very unusual. With a monster around, we'd better go and see if Rosie, Flash, and Tangles are all right. And away they went.
He can't even see.
Larry and Wheelie had nearly reached the flower bed when they heard Tangles shouting. Help! Help! Did you hear that? I certainly did. And look, there's the flower pot monster. Oh no! Tangles needs our help. It's Larry and the flower pot finder to the rescue. Charge!
He's walking.
Rosie saw them racing towards her. Watch out! Flash saw them next. Watch out!
What the
Tangles
fuck?
didn't see it all. And
He's
crash
fucking flying.
went Larry right into Tangles, knocking his flower pot right off.
What?
I can see! I can see! We came to save you from the flower pot monsters. What flower pot monsters? It's tall and big and... Hey, why do you two have those flower pots on your handles? They fell on us when Larry crashed into them, said Flash. Oh, so you're not a flower pot monster then? No, Wheelie. I mean, flower pot finder. This made Wheelie very happy. His friends were all safe, and the flower pots were stacked neatly on their handles, ready for him to take away. As the sun began to set over Greenwood Gardens, Wheelie, the flower pot finder, happily took the flower pots home to the shed. Hurrah! Hurrah! Harry the Lawnmower would like to say to all his friends who come out to play, it's time to go and this we know, we'll see you another day. 1, 2, 3, super